I'm 15 years old, and tomorrow's my birthday, so I'll be 16.
Oh, happy birthday!
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about yourself.
I started playing guitar since I was 7, and my biggest dreams is I really want to be a superstar on tour.
Yes. Have you ever been on a stage like AGT?
This is the biggest stage for
So
my
it's the
life.
first time that you're in a stage like this.
Yes.
Are you a little bit nervous?
I'm very nervous a little bit, but it's my dream to be AGT.
Who did you came with?
So today I came with my father. He's very supporting me.
Thank you.
Okay, we're ready for you. Go ahead.
Thank you. Slowly take it. The violent cause it silent. Who are we mistaken? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their ties and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, hey. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, yeah. What's in your head?
Incredible. Yes. Yes, baby.
Nene, that was spectacular. You have a very big chance to do really good in this competition. I loved it. Howie.
You are such a surprise, and the energy and the rock and roll. You are a rock star, young lady. You really are.
Mel.
To see you're only 15, you've got really good vocal control and you can kill it on the guitar. You're like a match made in heaven. You're brilliant.
Yes. Simon.
Your tone of your voice, it was really authentic, and even the fact it was all a bit messy actually made, for me, the audition really good.
Thank you.
Really good.
We're gonna vote. Howie. Yes. Mel.
Oh, yes, 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 all the way. Yes.
Thank you.
Simon.
100% yes.
Thank you.
You have 4 yeses.